Go to the GPT one again. So now, so we did the video. Yeah, let's try the DALL one.
DALL?
The image generator. What's that exactly?
I have to see DALL. Wait.
I think people can use a lot of these things in their day-to-day PPTs and all of that.
True.
Like, and especially like for creators like me, like there are a lot of copyright issues which keep happening because if we use an image from somewhere,
Right.
some of the other copyright strike keeps happening. So if we use it from AI, it'll just solve that
It
problem.
won't at times.
I use this AI tool called Notebook LM, and what I did was I wanted to repurpose my content from YouTube to Instagram. Okay, so I told Notebook LM that okay, here's a real estate podcast which is of 2 hours 53 minutes. Tell me whenever I have said wow or whenever I have a shocking reaction, please give me those timestamps and give me a reel title that will go viral on Instagram. It gave me 10 timestamps, and all of those 10 timestamps I liked a lot. And we put out those reels on our social media and we got millions of views on those reels as well. So Notebook LM was smart enough to identify where I said wow or something because of the transcript. And I intentionally do that in my podcasts nowadays because whenever I say wow, so Notebook LM or any AI tool will understand, okay, these are the time when Kushal was shocked.
True.
And this can go viral on Instagram or YouTube Shorts. So that is like helping me a lot.
Definitely. And देखो, see, people, अब ये भी होता है ना लोगों को कितना खरीदे टूल, कितना buy करें ये tools. I think people just can take one tool. Just take GPT. That's it. I am now in mixed opinions with Manus also. Manus takes a little bit of time. So, but choose anyone. And just like you use Notebook LM to find, and I think GPT can do the same. Give the transcript. Say that कि मेरे को wow जहाँ पे मैं निकले हूँ मेरे को आइडिया बता के दे दो. So people shouldn't be कि मुझे सब tools लेने. People should be कि एक centric tool लो and उसी से काम करो. And 2,000 a month is a very easy thing. It's like a tutor, like a mentoring thing.
Yeah.
Anyways, if you'd like to give any,
let's design a new logo for my podcast Conversation with Kushal. And you can give it the previous logo or you can give the YouTube channel link only so it'll understand.
It won't fetch from. That's what the limitations of GPT. It won't go. Okay. Podcast.
Or give the YouTube transcript link, no? So it'll understand one video transcript.
I'll give you the context of one of the video so that you can see where I operate. Fair enough. Here you go. Your website.
Wow. The website is ready. Dude, it generated a website, created a website in just 10 seconds, man. 10, 15 seconds.
Will you use this?
No, use the Ankur Warikoo one.
You're famous, dude.
Why? Why are you using the transcript generator? DALL or GPT cannot do that?
They have a separate GPTs for that.
Okay.
But I'm just, because it is for free, so I'm just using it very quickly. It's one click. Over there, you have to just write a whole set of things and consume your memories and just using this quick stuff.
Got it. But then again, this will be very long, no? DALL won't be able to take. So
GPT can take anything.
Is it?
Yeah. You spoke in Hindi or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Press enter. But will it understand Hindi?
Very well.
Wow. I think your laptop might hang, huh?
I still took a new one.
Oh, wow. I'm excited. And this is free or this is again?
$20 में सब कुछ आता है.
But unlimited photos I can generate?
हाँ. At least 50-100 तो निकाल ही सकते हो.
Wow. Conversation with Kushal. Not bad. Not good also.
Not good also. That's why I always say.
No, but this is cool. And then let's say if I want to generate an image of anything in general, like if in one of the podcasts, if I have spoken about a person doing meditation in one of the corners of the country, I can get that image, right? Generate an image of a person who is meditating, doing meditation in one of the corners of the country or India and with forest around. or with forest with trees or something, and sunny day or something like that. So let's see. So this will also happen, and I can use this in my videos then, right?
Yeah, completely.
Ah,
Usually पता चल जाता है कि
this-
AI जनरेट किया है,
अच्छा ओके.
पता चल जाता है.
हाँ कॉपीराइट ही बच जाएगा ना फिर तो. Oh wow, nice. And can we make it more realistic? Let's say show me the face, because this is the back. But this is nice, huh?
Yeah.
And these face would be random, no? Then
Very random. There's one random face
generated. What's this? Wow.
The person does not exist. So the domain name is this person does not exist.
What is that?
Let's see. Gender male, age 12 to 18,
I'm
ethnicity.
not able to see for some reason. Just 1 second.
Oh.
I can see now. Yeah. Okay.
So ये वेबसाइट करता क्या है ना, ये बेसिकली ऐसे पर्सन का दिखाता है जो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है. मेल करते हैं, एज मान लो 19 से 25, ब्लैक है ना.
Oh. So ये कोई भी नहीं है मतलब.
कोई नहीं है.
अच्छा ओके.
ये देखो, he's not black though.
Wow.
That is extremely wrong. You see 50 plus years old and this guy says, nah, never. I also want to be like this then.
Much better, man.
You know, you can just click over here.
Okay.
I don't know if you can really. This sign, no? Click over here. And probably what you can do, you can again click and make it girl face.
Okay. This is interesting.
We are doing some crazy stuff.
Yeah.
I hope you're not going to get in.
Yeah. Oh, maybe.
Yeah, and plus the dress is the same.
Exactly. So
Because you clicked on
highlighted.
that, that's why.
yeah.
Oh,
I can highlight this now
okay.
and say,
Got it.
let it be.
Crazy. This is cool. This is cool. ठीक है. We're done with DALL-E. We're done with GPT, Perplexity, Manus. What else? What are some other AI tools? Planned AI was the coolest.
Yep.
The call. I loved that the most till now. What are some other AI tools which you are using? Or let's go to the GPT one. If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.